Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your SurveySparrow account. And more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video. And that is, how do you link or connect your Gmail to SurveySparrow? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved. So be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to link or connect your Gmail to SurveySparrow anyways? If you're running an online business, you know that sometimes you're going to be sending out your surveys from your Gmail account, or maybe your Gmail is your work email. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your SurveySparrow account. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my SurveySparrow, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to link your Gmail, here on the top right, you're going to click on this gear icon. Okay, once you do that, you're going to see a drop-down menu here on the left, and you want to scroll down until you get to this button here called email. Click on there. Okay, next you're going to see the SurveySparrow default email right here. However, to add your email, click on this button. It's a turquoise new email button. Okay, next you're going to see these four options, and in order to link your Gmail, you're going to click here, connect Google account. Okay, next, Google's going to open up a browser asking which email you want to connect to SurveySparrow. So I'm going to go ahead and choose this one. Okay, next, Google's warning you they're going to share this information up here with SurveySparrow. If you're okay with that, click on continue. Next, you want to go ahead and choose the permissions for SurveySparrow. So I'm going to click on select all, and then I'm going to click on continue. Okay, a quick second later, the page refreshes back into my SurveySparrow, and you can see the Google logo right here, and you can see off to the right here, it is active. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to link or connect your Gmail to SurveySparrow, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.